Okay. Where should you put them when they're ordered? Once they're done,
Not as many as you want, but I would say absolutely get out there and play with it.
yeah, my brother.
How old is he?
7. He's not that little. Yeah, my house. I'm just helping her. Floor, and then once you do it,
So, okay, we'll get,
Blankets, I got hats,
okay.
gloves. I figured blankets and
We have water.
yeah, water we don't need. We have a box of food,
Yeah.
blankets and maybe some cleaning supplies.
Okay.
Oh, jackets.
Jackets over there?
Oh, there's jackets over there? Great. Grab a couple of jackets.
All right.
Two of my teachers, Nicole and Priscilla.
Hi, are you one of the organizers here?
No,
or-
I've fallen into helping out. I came with a load of stuff from Brooklyn and just unloaded the truck, and now I'm just helping sort.
Tell me where you, I'm just trying to document this, so just tell me where you're from.
I live in Kensington in Brooklyn.
And you drove out here?
Yeah, I drove
You have
out here.
gas?
Yeah, we've got gas in the car, so
Great.
just took a whole load out. And now trying to figure out how to sort it. Hopefully help distribute it.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you. More?